We want to talk more about how the trial ended today, that combative moment between the judge and the defense over its second attempt at a mistrial. Our next guest witnessed it all. Joining us, New York Times senior political correspondent, Trump biographer Maggie Haberman, who's been inside the courtroom for the trial. So you wrote about that contentious hearing of the gag order and the mistrial. You said this is actually the kind of moment Merchan has largely tried to avoid in this trial, a test of wills with the defense. He made it clear how angry he was with the arguments and that he thought Trump's team was making them in bad faith. Can you just, from your perspective, walk us through how that unfolded?
Sure. So a couple of things that have struck me throughout this trial, because I attended several days of the E. Jean Carroll trial, and the situation there was very different between Trump and the judge, Judge Kaplan in that case. That was a real battle of wills. In the Engoron case, the New York civil fraud case, it was something of a circus in that trial, and Trump and the judge were going back and forth too. Merchan, while the Trump team really doesn't like him, he has tried being really fair on a bunch of points, including in a sidebar earlier this week, saying to Blanche when Trump was cursing twice audibly, "I'm not doing this out loud. I don't want to embarrass your client. You got to get him under control." This was the moment, I thought, when Merchan had finally just had enough and was making very clear that he didn't think the arguments that Blanche was putting forward, Todd Blanche, the main lawyer here, were in good faith. He really lit into Susan Necheles, who had done the cross-examination of Stormy Daniels, and said, you know, she had every opportunity to object to X, Y, Z and didn't. They argued that there were reasons she didn't, that there was a misunderstanding over the judge's instructions about what could be testified to. But he went on at length, and he said something to the effect of, you know, no, I'm not going to adjust the gag because you can't tell me in good faith that your client is just going to answer rationally and not just attack these witnesses. And it sort of summed up the argument against a lot of what Trump has been saying and what the defense has been doing. Merchan said, you know, your opener was there was no sexual encounter. That then opens the door for all the other questions. And it's sort of hard to argue against that. Now, I assume they will use all of this, if there's a conviction, on appeal. And they might have some success at the Court of Appeals, but that's a ways away. And I think this just sets a tone for what we're going to see in jury instructions going forward.
Do you have any sense of how Trump now, I mean, who he's angry are at, the judge or his own attorneys? I mean, listening to your attorneys being, you know.
Yeah, I think there's enough to go around. I think he's pretty equal opportunity on that. I mean, he was very happy with how Susan Necheles did on Tuesday in the cross-examination of Stormy Daniels, because she was very aggressive. Susan Necheles was very aggressive, although Stormy Daniels, while she did get tripped up on certain more minor details, she did also have a pretty defiant posture that was consistent in defense of herself. And they were very happy because Stormy Daniels had a bit of a rough outing with prosecutors earlier that morning, but a lot of that went away today.
And in terms of the job today that the defense did, I mean, how did it play in the court in your perspective?
It was rough. I mean, you know, these were pretty minor semantic details that Susan Necheles was pushing Stormy Daniels on over, did you actually eat dinner, or was it just dinner where food was not consumed? And that point was made over and over and over again to essentially try to trip Stormy Daniels up and suggest her story had changed. And that was something that Merchan said after court. Her story really hasn't changed. But the jury sees this, and it ends up risking looking like you're just badgering this woman who is not the defendant in this case. You know, Susan Necheles has a very strong reputation as a trial defense lawyer. She has much more experience than the men on that table, at that table. But it's hard to separate when someone is working for Donald Trump, what's their own initiative versus what he wants.
I'm wondering on the reporting, because there was a lot of talk today that this was performative perhaps for Donald Trump in a sense, or at least at the behest of Donald Trump.
And some of it certainly felt like something he would like. Susan Necheles is known as a very tough, aggressive lawyer in the courtroom. But continuing to go at Stormy Daniels in this very contentious back and forth felt in the courtroom like a losing prospect after the first several times.
Well, isn't it also possible that the mistrial motions themselves are about pleasing Donald Trump? Those lawyers are smart enough to know they're not going to win those mistrial motions, but they seem to be making these motions because they get to denounce the proceedings, just like the way their client is doing in the press conferences afterwards. And you know, I don't know what good that does them, especially when the judge, you know, just slams the door at the motion the way he did today.
Well, I would just go back to make a point to that end, I mean, yes, I think the mistrials were their MO in the previous trials, so I don't think this is some new thing that we're seeing, number one. But number two, the point Mershon made about how their opening argument or their opening statement was not to say the false business records are not real. It was to say sex never happened, and that was their main focus. That's certainly pleasing the client.
I mean, the whole Stormy Daniels thing, I mean, it may have been a little bit of a trap for the prosecution to spend as much time as they did with her on Tuesday, but then the defense really fell into that trap wholeheartedly by arguing over that point. Like, it is completely irrelevant whether the sex happened or not. The idea that they would spend all of this time on that today, I don't understand it, because it has taken us so far afield from what the jury is actually going to end up having to deliberate over as to whether or not Donald Trump was involved in falsifying those business records. It has sucked up so much oxygen this week in the trial.
But it goes to the whole picture in summation. You can't believe this one, or look at all the lies this one told, Peterson told, Pecker told, this one told, that one told. You got to pile on. Look, Anderson.
Or the flip side of that is, for the prosecution, this guy's lying about the sex. What he's lying about, I mean, if he's going to lie to you about
So if he's not
sex,
testifying, they can't say that. They can't say that unless Donald Trump takes the stand. They can't say he's lying because he never took the stand. So they can say they want you to believe this. They can't say he's lying to you about this. But just in terms of how it works with the client and the defense attorney, if a defense attorney's not getting scolded a little bit by the judge here and there, you're not pushing the envelope enough. You got to push until you get right there. You don't want to jump over the line. They didn't jump over the line by asking for an additional
They're getting
mistrial.
scolded for not going
Excuse me?
far. They're getting scolded for not going far enough.
By Trump.
By the judge. The judge is the one saying, you guys should have objected and you did not object.
Right, well, that's true. No, but I'm talking about the mistrial. And this is no, like, unique. Any lawyer here can tell you, this is not a unique strategy to ask for a mistrial as much as you possibly can.
I
want
you
to do
said
one a
earlier,
day.
You do it every day.
You want to try to find a reason for a mistrial every single day.
And that's what they're doing here.
Yeah, and the judge got annoyed. Sorry, Judge, I'm doing my thing. Go enjoy a cup of coffee. We'll see you later. We'll be back tomorrow. It's like not a big deal.
They're harmless. Often they're methods of client management for defense lawyers. What I'm struck by is just how much of this trial is in the eye of the beholder. I mean, even here,
Yes,
we have
that's
two
great.
smart people who were in the courtroom.
that's a great
Arthur
point.
said that the cross-examination today was searing and a huge win for Trump's team. You seem to have seen it differently, Megan. This is, by the way, why we all ought to wait. I mean, we don't.
don't
You
know what
never
the
know what a
jury
jury's going to
thinks.
do.
I have no
No, I
idea.
agree.
I have
But
no idea.
And it's such an interesting
Yeah.
example. I mean, either of you could have been on that jury. And
No,
you
I
see
definitely
things-
could not have been.
I think Trump would have struck you. I think that's probably right. But it's just so interesting to see the
it's
opposite
interesting to me,
takes.
just having been in that court once last week, how different it is when you're actually there and when you're just reading the messages on the outside like we're doing. And we're doing the best we can to bring viewers into that courtroom. But without cameras or without actually sitting there,
You don't know.
Yeah.
You just and I
And
will
it's such a human experience. It is human beings and sweat and just, smells and the whole thing.
And well, he's also been, I mean, Trump is not exactly known for not telegraphing his stress. And so, we have been able to see that to the extent we can see his face, which depends on how close you are to the screen and whether you're allowed to use binoculars on a given day. But there are days like this week when he has appeared visibly much more upset than at other times. And so you don't really see that. And it's also just hard to understand if you don't sit through, I mean, honestly, if you don't sit through the whole trial, you don't really even have the same sense of it. I've been talking to some colleagues who have been there episodically, and you just have a different sense of it if you have not heard all of the testimony, because it does all go to one story. So.
And it seems to me, even more than most trials, this one calls for humility on our part in terms of how the jury is reacting to
100%,
things. Because you're talking
100%.
about what jurors think about sex, what they think about marital infidelity, what they think about porn. I mean, all of which, I don't know what they think. Right. And, what are they offended by? Are they offended by the underlying conduct? Are they offended by how the questioning is going? I don't know, and I think it's very important to say we don't know.
And there's two
how they're
lawyers on
thinking.
the jury, which is the other thing to remember. And we don't know how, both sides, the prosecutors and the defense, both feel really good about for different reasons. And one of them will be right, and we don't know which one.
Maggie Haberman, thanks very much. Everyone stay with us.